Welcome back to the channel, a teen, and P-pop fans worldwide. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on SB19's Simula at Wakas World Tour. Tonight, we're in Doha, Qatar, where the energy is rising and anticipation fills the air. Before the concert lights even turn on, SB19 sat down for an exclusive interview giving fans a glimpse into their journey, their struggles, and the fire that keeps them moving forward.
Your EPs have showcased a range of styles, right? From ballads to high-energy pop. How do you decide on the musical direction of each release?
The musical direction? Before we plan our whole EP, nagkakaroon po kami ng matinding brainstorming kasama yung buong team. And
What is this, from the writing all the way to the production itself?
lahat po, and all encompassing, like yung music videos, yung concept ng mga kanta na ilalabas namin, how many songs will be ballads, how many songs will be this type of music. So from there, we assess kung ano yung nasan kami sa career namin, sa journey namin. So if what we're feeling right now should be aligned to what we're going to release. So,
Okay.
for example, we want to release, we're feeling, if we want to impart a message about the importance of time,
Alright.
yun po yung, dun po kami magbabase kung ano po yung gusto namin ilabas na music.
Kumbaga nagkakaisa naman kayo. You guys are working as a team, no?
Di po kami nagkakayusa, sa totoo lang po. Madalas po maraming discussion. Pero syempre po, in a team, kailangan merong compromisation, di ba?
Okay.
Kailangan for ano ba yung goal ng grupo, yun naman po palagi. Hindi siya goal
It has to be a total collaboration
Yes,
talaga,
po,
di ba?
yes.
Na everybody accepts.
Yes.
Of course, okay.
Yun,
Di ba?
kaya po namin na po yung EP, nag-create kami. First time po namin maglabas ng rock song na galing po kay Ken.
Excellent.
So parang kumukuha po kami ng fragments of each member. Kasi mahirap po yung grupo na parang magde-decide kami, kailangan mag-a-agree lahat. So ganito lang gawin natin. O ikaw, pili ka ng isa, gagawin natin yan. Pili ka ng isa, gagawin natin yan. So that parang everyone is happy or parang gets to experience each member's thoughts and feelings po. Ganun po siya.
Excellent. So at least everybody has a say kahit papano. So that's good, that's good. All right, guys, another question here. This one's for Stel naman. So Stel, first of all, guys, I gotta say congratulations. You guys have done so much for the Philippines, ha? Hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para sa buong bansa natin for representing, di ba? Congratulations, guys. And with that, you made history as the first Southeast Asian act to chart sa Billboard, di ba? Billboard Social 50 and Next Big Sound. And ang dami pa nito. You've got a lot under your belt, pare. How does it feel to represent the Filipino? Lalo na yung music natin, pare, on stage.
Grabe.
Di ba? So, yung pinakamabigat na tanong.
Actually po, every time we receive an achievement, talagang, syempre we feel happy, honored, and super proud po. Hindi lang sa aming lima, but of course sa team po namin. Kasi hindi naman po namin magagawa lahat ng to without the support with them na kasama namin everywhere kami pumunta. And syempre hindi po mawawala yung fans na nandyan. Parang lahat po ng achievement kasi na to hindi siya mangyayari. Di ba po may kasabihan tayo, hindi naman po andar ang barko kung walang nagpapatakbo nito.
Mismo.
So parang,
Captain!
Oh.
hindi po kasi di ba kung kaming lima lang po, hindi po siya uusad eh. Pero kung wala yung mga taong naniniwala, sumusuporta po sa amin, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng fire to do the things that we wanna do pa.
Iba talaga pakiramdam rin if they sing it back to you, no?
Opo, parang kahit po yung mga
Diba?
ibang lahi din, na parang they love our language, even our culture, they try to understand us. Malaking bagay po yun kasi hindi lang naman po to about music eh. This is something we wanna share not only to our fans but also outside the Philippines na hindi lang music yung gusto nilang marinig from us, even our story. Now, openly kami i-share. Kaya I think people can really connect to us and they really understand what we want to say through our music. And I think we are not only representing Filipino music, also our culture and yung paniniwala namin na I think it's time that Filipinos really deserve the spotlight kasi we can really propel in every aspect kasi we're very talented and marami tayong alam gawin. At alam natin na kahit sa parte ng bansa, there's a lot of Filipino po talaga.
Yes, and we've had already a lot of examples that you guys already know, syempre, in our history, di ba, na who have been world-renowned.
Yes.
And just like yourselves, congratulations. Tara.
Thank you.
Galing.
Thank you.
All right, I think Millie has another question here for you.
Yes, let's talk about the word simula at wakas, and I wanted Josh to answer this one. Because it means end and beginning, right? What story are you telling to this concert series? Bakit siya simula at wakas?
Mahaba po ito eh. Meron pa ba yung ano? Pero to
Okay
make it very, parang short lang, siguro yung buong, it started syempre with the idea of Pablo po, with the trilogy. So, from before po, ano kasi siya, nag-start po kami sa pagsibol.
Okay.
So, germination. And then, pagtatag po. Yung pagsibol is, ano nga bang ano natin doon? Question mark. Then, yes po, pagsibol, or paano po natin yan. Ano. Tapos, yung exclamation mark is the next, ano po, para ginamit po namin for the symbol, yun naman po yung pagtatag. It means parang syempre po pagtatag po talaga kung paano si SB19. Kasi po noong una nagpapakilala po, then pangalawa po parang this is SB19. And then po doon na po tayo sa simula at wakas, bumalik po ulit sa seed or dun sa fruit. Kasi po yung question mark is the germination, yung pagtatag is the tree, tapos po bumalik po dun sa fruit or seed. Tapos kaya po siya naging simula at wakas kasi it's a cycle po.
So, parang regeneration nga.
Yes po,
Diba?
kung saan
Or reincarnation, I would say.
kung saan nagwawakas, doon din po nagsisimula. So
Yeah.
hindi po talaga siya doon natatapos, pero doon po namin ni-revolve yung buong concept for the entire EP. So ayun po, and the concert itself po, ayun, marami pa pong explanation, pero yun po yung main idea.
Okay. Thank you.
Sige.
Thank you, Josh.
Okay, guys, break muna tayo sa ating classroom recitation, ha? Ito muna tayo, kwentuhan muna tayo. So, kwentuhan nyo naman kami. Like, what are the most memorable moments nyo sa current world tour? Okay, of course, excluding Doha, dahil you're just experiencing it now. This is for everybody. Ano yung mga naaalala nyo na you know, during your tours? Kahit dyan sa Pilipinas, or sa, ano ba yung tumatak sa inyo na experience or siguro something that nag-impact sa'yo personally? Diba? That's something-
SB19 is the pride of P-pop. And this is our channel, and the channel that is keeping you connected to every moment, every story, and every heartbeat of SB19.